Monitoring and evaluation and strategic communication are important for evaluating the progress of departments and to replicate the message of reform. The monitoring and evaluation framework of the City District Government is based mainly on performance indicators.
Performance management introduce की है ताकि performance जो है वो हमें हर एक की पता चल सके और इससे हमारे district में बेहतरी आए.
The district government uses tools such as corporate plans, strategic operational plans, monthly progress and performance reports for effective monitoring and evaluation.
City District Government Faisalabad is confident that whatever they had planned to implement in the reforms program, they have been successful and they are within the resources and within the budget.
The website that's been created is www.faisalabad.gov.pk. It's a very comprehensive website. In fact, there are now very few documents that exist within the City District Government's domain that have been created by the City District Government over the last, let's say, 2 years that are not on their website.
The total number of web hits has crossed more than 30,000. Other communication tools included monthly newsletters, radio programs and street theatre shows which have been attended by 31,000 people belonging to Kachhiabadis and slum areas. On the request of the City District Nazim, a very detailed citizen perception survey has been conducted in Faisalabad.
हर यूनियन काउंसिल का डिटेल सर्वे हमने करवाया है और उसमें हमें तफसील से हर चीज़ हमारे सामने आई कि कहाँ पे किस चीज़ की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. स्कूल का प्रॉब्लम है, डिस्पेंसरी का प्रॉब्लम है, सड़कों का प्रॉब्लम है, नहरी पानी का मसला है या जानवरों का अस्पताल नहीं है. जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो हमारे सामने खुलकर आए हैं.
Based on the results, the CDGF has realigned development priorities and allocated resources to areas where they were most needed, with special attention given to Kachhiabadis and the slum areas.
We carried out a national seminar here at Faisalabad in which we invited around about 15 big districts, DCOs here with their district nazim. The people have shown a lot of keen interest of replicating the reforms what we have done here at Faisalabad.
A 2-day conference entitled Embedding Quality Education for All, Initiatives Across Pakistan was held on the 5th and 6th of March 2008 in Faisalabad. This conference provided occasion to hold vibrant and intellectual conversations on reforms, initiatives for quality, equity, decentralization and governance. This was supported by evidence-based planning with the active partnership of all relevant stakeholders. More than 55 research papers were presented in the conference, which was attended by 300 professionals from across the country and overseas. To replace the arbitrary decision-making process with the evidence-based planning, the City Government Faisalabad has developed a geographic information system. High-resolution satellite imagery was used to identify exact administrative boundaries and to produce field survey drawings.
Our teams go into the field. We have started numbering each house of each town by involving the TMAs with us.
All field information was compiled to produce scale drawings with a detailed legend produced with the consent of the provincial government.
It exactly indicates the number of facilities available in each union council, the number of encroachments which have been carried out by the people.
A GIS application was developed to integrate it with other information systems.
So it is not only helping us in exactly informing us, it is being linked up with the HRIMS.
By using this GIS, we are implementing evidence-based planning in the district. The district government and TMAs have started using geographic information systems with scaled digitized maps for planning their future development programs. The district government implemented some innovative interventions like call centers, video documentation of different MISs, project documentary and case studies.
There was no access to the information to the general public. Most of the complaints, those are lodged to the competent officers. Those were misplaced and those were misdirected.
We have opened a customer service call center in which we have a toll-free number and that is any citizen of Faisalabad can always ring up that number, and that is also going to be linked up with the information system.
Using the call center facility, citizens can register and track the progress of complaints via telephone.
ये हमने सिस्टम बनाया कि जिस डिपार्टमेंट की कंप्लेंट है उसको हम फॉरवर्ड करते हैं और वो हमें फिर रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं।
वहाँ पे टोल फ्री नंबर पे इनको कॉल की है, अपना प्रॉब्लम उनको बताया है, तो उन्होंने फिर स्पेशली वहाँ से बंदे भेजे हैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए।
सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नमेंट फैसलाबाद की मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन लोगों ने कॉल सेंटर बनाया है जहाँ पे हम लोग अपनी कंप्लेंट को रजिस्टर करवा सकते हैं।
We have prepared around about 15 case studies. These all case studies cover all areas of reform programs like managing change, human resource management, financial management, education, and few other sectors. Strategic development plan was prepared to ensure that the future development of Faisalabad occurs in a planned and integrated manner. We needed to develop a plan that could provide us a blueprint of the development needs of the district for 3 to 5 years. The financial outlay of the strategic development plan is around about 87 billion rupees. The provincial government has contributed 11 billion rupees and federal government has committed 5 billion rupees. And as for now, 89 schemes costing around about 10.5 billion rupees have been approved. After the completion and implementation of this plan, the overall service delivery in Faisalabad district will improve and Faisalabad will turn into a modern district having a strong infrastructure base. The sustainability part is a very important aspect and which we are giving a lot of attention nowadays because we are moving towards the sustainability once different leaves Faisalabad.
A high level of ownership and buy-in virtually ensures that the implemented reforms continue to evolve in the desired direction. The success of the project has attracted the attention of other city administrations and can also serve as a blueprint for other development agencies working in good governance. The implementation of reforms in Faisalabad has proved that improvements in systems and processes can bring operational efficiency and effectiveness, which leads to behavioral change to bring long-term institutional sustainability, better standard of services, improved infrastructure, and more economic development.
फैसलाबाद में रिफॉर्म्स जो हम लेके आ रहे हैं ये रातों रात 1 साल 2 साल में मुमकिन नहीं है। इसमें कम से कम 8 से 10 साल अगर ये रिफॉर्म का सिलसिला हम चलाते रहेंगे तो इंशाअल्लाह फैसलाबाद की मिसाल हर जगह कोट की जाएगी और फैसलाबाद एक बेहतरीन शहर बनकर उभरेगा।